You've probably uploaded your AI book, hit publish, and then realized it just disappeared into the abyss. No views, no clicks, and no sales. And now you're wondering, did I do something wrong, or is the system just broken? The truth is, the Amazon KDP algorithm is not broken. It's just misunderstood. See, it's not about luck or secret keywords. It's about playing the system the way Amazon actually wants you to. And once you understand that, everything changes. Today, I'm going to break down how the KDP algorithm actually works, how it decides what to show, what to bury, and what to push like crazy, and how you could use it to make your AI books rise to the top and keep on selling long term. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's dive in. Alright, part 1, what the KDP algorithm really wants. Let's start with this. Amazon does not care about your book. It cares about its readers. Every decision the algorithm makes comes down to one question. Will showing this book make Amazon more money? So what does that mean? It means the algorithm promotes books that keep readers on Amazon longer. Books that people click on, buy, and finish reading. That's it. If readers click your cover but bounce immediately, then you lose ranking. If they buy it but never finish, you lose ranking again. If they finish it and then buy another book from you or from the same niche, then you win. So think about it this way. The KDP algorithm rewards engagement, not uploads. It's not about flooding Amazon with 100 books. It's about creating one book that keeps people reading. Which brings me to part 2, the 3-layer system that Amazon uses. There are 3 invisible layers that decide if your book takes off or dies in the shadows. Layer 1, CTR, otherwise known as click-through rate. This is where your cover, title, and subtitle do the heavy lifting. Amazon measures how many people scroll past your book versus clicking on it. That's why a professional-looking thumbnail-style cover and a keyword-optimized title is everything. Layer 2, conversion rate. Once someone clicks your page, Amazon watches whether they actually buy. This depends on your description, preview pages, and reviews. If 1 in 5 visitors buys your book, that's really strong. If it's 1 in 20, then you're dead in the water. And finally, layer 3, read through and retention. This one is the secret that nobody talks about. Amazon tracks how many readers finish your book and how many buy another afterwards. That's why book length, pacing, and value matter more than anything. When you understand these 3 layers, you realize something powerful. The algorithm isn't a mystery. It's just measuring how valuable your book is to readers. And now finally, part 3, how to work with the algorithm. Here's how you turn this knowledge into strategy. Number 1, optimize for clicks. Test your covers and titles before publishing. Use A to B testing tools or even polls on your social media. The first impression matters more than the actual content. Number 2, write for engagement. Forget stuff and keywords. Make every paragraph pull the reader deeper. Add personality, rhythm, and curiosity. Remember, time spent reading equals a higher ranking. Number 3, build a reader loop. End your books with a call to action. Something like, if you enjoyed this book, check out my next title. You want Amazon to see that readers keep coming back to you. And finally, number 4, be consistent. The algorithm rewards consistency. Publishing every month, even just 1 book, tells Amazon that you're serious. Sporadic uploads confuse the system. And lastly, the hidden truth is that most people think the algorithm is their enemy, but in reality, it's your biggest ally if you finally understand what it wants. It doesn't care if you're using AI, and it doesn't care if you're brand new. It only cares about one thing. Are you helping readers stay on Amazon longer? If you do that with great covers, engaging content, and most importantly, consistent publishing, then the algorithm will do your marketing for you. That is how real publishers will win in 2026. And if you want the full system that I use to optimize every part of this process, from cover design to keywords to click-through rate, then you can find it all inside my course. The link is below. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value, smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video.